Hindustani, a walking, talking miracle of possibilities, daughter of a defense officer, married to a super caring gentleman, and mother of a dashing hunk. I was a NET qualified lecturer, now an energy transformational coach, a breakup surgeon, and I'm also an international access consciousness facilitator and founder of Beyond Imagination Club. I empower people to get free of all the stress they have in their life and help them to change their life quickly, easily, and joyfully. This Dare to Dream Life Diary series is designed for all of us to learn and understand that we can fulfill our dreams even if everything around us is unfavorable and against us. Even if that dream seems impossible, if we keep on going, one day we will definitely achieve our dream with total ease beyond our imagination. Hi guys, hello friends. I can see 10 people already active over here. Great to see you all. Thank you so much for joining us for this Dare to Dream Live Diaries show today. Right now, let me know one thing, that are you really excited to meet our special guest for today? And if you still don't know, let me tell you something about him. He's a nation's renowned productivity explorer, community builder, global speaker who is on a mission to help people to build productivity mindset. And he grew up in a famous slum of Mumbai and now a globally known personality who had his unique story to cross the oceans of struggle to fulfill his dreams. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, he is now a global goodwill ambassador, board member of Professional Speakers Association of India, host of LinkedIn Local Hyderabad, a LinkedIn expert with a LinkedIn Commended Profile 2019, an author, and was awarded Business Excellence Award 2019 in Hyderabad. So let's welcome our guest of honor today, Mr. Sagar Amlani.
Hey, great to see you over here, Sagar. Amazing.
Good
How are you?
evening.
Good evening. Good evening. So, thank you for
Sure.
gracing this episode with your presence, and we are really honored to have you over here. So
Pleasure is
grateful
mine.
for accepting my request. In such a short time, I'm truly touched by your kindness. Thank you so much.
Pleasure is mine.
So, can we start?
Yep, sure.
Yeah, okay. So, as this show is basically about Dare to Dream, so first of all, I would like to ask you that what was your biggest dream and at what age you started having that dream? कौन सी उम्र में अपने सपने देखने शुरू करे और सबसे बड़ा सपना कौन सा था?
I wouldn't block myself saying कौन सी उम्र में सपने देखे, because सपने हर कोई देखता है and we see dreams since childhood. But seeing a dream and taking that action, yes, I saw that when I was 21, when I had seen my parents struggling, and from the slums the house got destroyed in the rain and we were on road for like 45 days. That is when I saw a dream of my mother sitting in a balcony and having a cup of tea when it's raining, and she's not running around with a jute bag in her hand to put it into a commode so that the sludge does not come out. So that was the first dream.
So, it happened at the age of 21?
Yeah, I was 21 at that time.
Oh, so but what were you like a kid? Like, you have gone through all the struggles. So I would like to know that now, right now you are into totally different. I'm sure that you have transformed a lot. Everybody basically transforms a lot, but still, like, I would like to know about your childhood also.
Yes, well, I was the naughtiest kid you can ever find. I mean, fights, masti, bhagna. I even had an episode in my life जब मैंने साइकिल नेबर से झूठ बोल के ली थी. I mean, it literally like चोरी करके लेके गया था स्कूल पे, because I wanted to show it to my friends that I have a cycle. Of course, we could not afford it at that time, but मैंने वो भी मस्ती की है. So everything under the sun I've done. In my college days, we have bunked classes, we have gone for movies, we have did binge watching. We have also been sitting on what do you say, नुक्कड़ पे बैठ के छेड़ना, वो भी मस्ती कर ली हम लोग ने. So लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो नहीं किया है. So yeah, it's fun. Life has been fun.
तो फिर तो when you give speeches or sessions to the college youngsters, तो they might be enjoying your sessions. Okay, ऐसे वाले speaker मिल रहे हैं who's sharing all this stuff. ठीक है, नुक्कड़ के बैठे छेड़ा छेड़ी करो, सब करो. They love this, right?
See, basically, I feel that, when you have done everything, you've passed through everything, that is when you're content and you're not worried about, मैंने ये नहीं किया, या you have that restrictions. But when you have passed through everything, you have enjoyed everything, you've done through everything, you're not having any regrets, right? And most of the times you observe that the people who have always been kept under a lot of restrictions or spring, when they get a chance, they bounce, and they bounce so bad that there is no point of return. But kids like us who have done little masti every time throughout the life, it's okay. I mean, we know that we can do the masti, we have that freedom. So one message to the parents: do not force your children, do not curb them like a spring, otherwise they'll just bounce back.
True, very true. So which dreams you have fulfilled so far?
With God's grace, every single dream that I saw has been fulfilled.
Wow, wow, that's amazing.
Because one thing I feel, Ras, that sapne dekhna, it's not a big thing. I believe every single person can dream. To take action to fulfill those dreams is most important. Most of us even go ahead and take that action, but we cannot be persistent on fulfilling that action, and we say that we are not able to achieve our dream.
True, very true, very true. And did you feel that when you started dreaming those things, like, those at that particular moment, they were really big for you? So did you feel that, they are really, it's really difficult to achieve them, and it's a big dream that I'm actually trying to fulfill, but maybe like it's impossible? Did you also feel that?
I would agree to disagree. I always thought about something. I would not say it as a dream, but let's say I thought about it. For example, I wanted to earn my own money when I was in 10th standard for my own clothes during Diwali. And I wanted to buy new clothes because ages of Diwali, and we were always getting cousins ke, used clothes, and that were becoming a new clothes for us. So I thought this Diwali I'm going to do it. So that was a very small dream. For someone to earn 1,000 rupees, of course, it's not a big issue. But then I did not have resources. So what I did, I had a dream, I thought about it, went on a shop, मैंने डार्ट बनाए, and I sold those darts. The dart using the papers and माचिस की तीली, and उसके आगे सुई लगा देना, रबर लगा देना, and the dart becomes. So sold those darts, got some money, sold some crackers, made some money out of it, and fulfilled my dream. So every single dream that I felt or I dreamt of, I said I am able to do it. Even though anything was coming in between, I never had that thought that is it impossible? Is it not possible by me? No. अगर देखा है और अगर जज्बा है तो पूरा करना है, अब नहीं तो बाद में. लेकिन never had a doubt on myself that will I be able to do that? Because the minute you have a dream, you have a positive inclination towards it. The minute you have a negative thought that am I able to do it, it's gone.
Yes.
You've lost the battle even before you start.
True. Yes, I fully agree with that. And I mean, in this long journey, did you ever feel for a moment to give up actually?
Every time.
आसान नहीं होता कि हर की जिंदगी में थोड़े से वो अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते हैं, कई बार वो लो मोमेंट्स आती हैं, राइट? तो क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल आर गोइंग थ्रू ऑल दोस थिंग्स, एंड स्पेशली ये जो लास्ट ईयर सब कुछ स्टार्ट हुआ है, तो कई बार इंसान उस जोन में चला जाता है. तो आई रियली वांट टू नो कि जो इंसान आज इस पोजीशन पे है उसकी, ताकि पीपल विल आल्सो गेट टू नो, भाई सबकी जिंदगी में आते हैं, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, बट स्टिल यू कैन. So like
no, every single time you dream that you want to fulfill this, every single time you think that you want to do this, I have thought of giving up. I'll tell you a recent example. I was a conference chair of PSS 2021, which was a virtual summit. Now that was a dream for the whole team to achieve that, to do that. And just 4 months before the summit, I said I quit. I cannot do it. It's not my cup of tea. I'm not able to do it. Okay, it was not running away from that. It was not giving up that thing, but I was not satisfied with the way I was approaching it. I was not satisfied with the way I was getting support from the community. And I said, if that is not there, it's better that I drop it, because one thing I always believe, if you really want to do something, deliver it 100%. If not, don't do it.
Yes.
So हर बार गिव अप करने का मौका आ ही जाता है कि you just stare and you're like, अब नहीं होता मेरे से, I think let me shift, but then that point is like, ठीक है एक और लास्ट ट्राई कर लेते हैं, and that is where you actually nail it. So I would never say that I never had the thought.
Okay. So that is the way you push yourself actually from those times, right?
Yeah.
That's great. Yeah, because otherwise बस वो point ही ऐसा होता है, खत्म सब. I get it.
Exactly.
So, what do you feel like? What is the biggest factor actually that has helped you to reach your dreams so far?
I would say the biggest factor is willpower,
Okay.
the grit, the core values that I have, and just taking that action. Because मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि मैं कैसे करूँ या क्या करूँ. Thought about it, thought that I have to do this. I started running in that direction. I never waited to make a plan to have a perfect execution and then do it. No. If you have decided that you want to do this, keep running, keep talking to people, keep telling yourself that you need to do this, and just move on. So plan banta jayega, but if you wait for the perfect time, for the perfect execution, nahi hota. Second thing is I kept practicing, because I'll tell you something, that I went to Mathura. I was 23 that time. For the first time I traveled to Mathura for my own, खुद से train की journey ticket निकालना, and I was not selected for that paper. It was a technical paper presentation. The only thing I had in my mind is मुझे मथुरा जाना है. I want to do that paper presentation just fast, but my main purpose was to go to Mathura for that parikrama, the Jatipura parikrama, which we do it. And I said, I want to do it. Now, all I said is, I want to do it, I want to do it, I want to do it. How? मुझे नहीं पता. शाम को 7 बजे ट्रेन है. सुबह 12 बजे मेरा एक जूनियर मुझे फोन करता है कि सर मेरी दादी बीमार है, I have to go. And I also have an international paper presentation of the same thing that I've done, so I don't have any regrets. I'll go there. You take my paper and present it there, and you please go to Mathura. I know you are eager to go to Mathura. 12 बजे से लेके 5 बजे तक मैंने उसके साथ बैठ के वो सीख लिया वो पेपर. 5 बजे से 6 बजे तक प्रिंट आउट निकाले, बिकॉज वो टाइम पे प्रिंट आउट नहीं थे, आई मीन मोबाइल स्मार्टफोन्स नहीं थे, ट्रांसपेरेंसीज, एंड टुक दैट, एंड 7 o'clock आई मीन अ ट्रेन विदाउट टिकट, बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट हैव अ टिकट, ऑफ कोर्स जनरल टिकट ले लिया, बट बाकी सारे फ्रेंड्स थे. आई रीच्ड मथुरा and I nailed that paper presentation. I was third winner, and I also did my parikrama, I also did my Mathura. So things happen. When you are determined, when you are focused, the universe works for you.
Definitely,
So,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. That's brilliant example, because I always tell my viewers that yes, universe has your back. Just look for the possibilities. Don't stuck. And
Absolutely.
that's the amazing example you shared. So, okay, now one thing, like you were into private tuitions, right? And you were into automotive, industry, service industry, education industry, now a global speaker, and have recently started your own company, right? So I was bit surprised, like what was the reason for entering into so many sectors? Was it like, were you researching or just the hunger to explore? Because you are a productivity explorer, right? So, could you please let us?
The only hunger was money.
Oh my
Plain and
God!
simple.
Such a brilliant. ये वो सच्चाई होती है, बहुत कम लोग बोलते हैं. I
No,
love
because
that.
see, I started private tuitions with my mother because we wanted to meet the ends. My father was not able to earn everything, so mom को help करता था. I started private tuitions. वहां से फिर I went into litter picker, bartender के job, and even picking up the loads, unloading, because पैसा चाहिए था. लंदन में मास्टर्स करना था. My parents, I mean, they didn't stop me from doing anything, but they said, you have 180 pounds, take it and do whatever you want. This is what we can afford, this is what we can give you. Fair enough. They had their own say. Then I went into London. I had an interest into quality and started working there. I got an opportunity in automotive, picked it up, never said no. वहां पे काम कर रहा था, got into an education where they wanted me to be a teacher for 6 months because they wanted a part-time teacher. I said, good money, le lo opportunity. So everywhere where life gave me an opportunity to earn money, I've done that and I've not said no.
That's
So
great.
that's about it.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm loving that the conversation, because there are a lot of people who have actually, became so successful. ठीक है, slum area से कहीं भी जो भी उनका एक struggle रही है, but everybody has their own journey, and when those people actually share the things, it's truly, I mean, it's truly an inspiration for others. Thank you so much for bringing all the stuff. That's your vulnerability, actually. I love that. So, are you satisfied? Where are you now, actually, or still having a lot of dreams?
I would reframe it for you. I was even satisfied in my slums. I was even happy and content there is because we never, as a family, my mother, my father, we always thought about things in a different way, and we were never, guilty or down that हमारे पास ये नहीं है, because that's one thing which my mother thought, that if you crib about something, if you have those negative emotions about what you don't have, you only will attract negativity. So one thing that I learned from my mother was to have gratitude.
Yeah.
So I am still grateful to everything that happened in my life and still happen to everything that's going to happen in my life. And अगर बुरा भी होता है तो गीता में लिखा है, right? Everything happens for a reason.
Yes.
Just wait for the time to tell you what was that reason.
Yeah.
Right. And as humans, as Indians, we all believe in religion. That religion is not blind faith, but that religion is a way of you putting it out to universe. So मैं ये मानता हूँ कि जो भी हो रहा है वो कृष्णा की लीला है.
Right.
There are people who might say that, but for me, I would say that's
Your video. Yeah, got it. Yeah, again. Please
so
speak again.
I'm saying
Your
that's
yeah.
so I'm saying that some people might say that that's humbug, or that's fake, or that's religion and that's nonsense. But I say you take Krishna as universe. Okay, you take Shiva, Ganesha, Christian, Allah, anybody as universe, and you say that I believe you, and yeah, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you do that and when you say all that, you are actually believing in that universe, that energy, that power, that nature that is going to fulfill it, and that's actually not going to fulfill it. It's you who are doing it. But it's that
Yes.
psychological game that we play with our mind, and we do it, and everything we say is mind, right? It's all about mindset.
Yes.
And Three Idiots, right? All is well, all is well, all is well. Just do that.
Right. I agree. And guys, yeah, I will also share one thing, due to some circumstances, we didn't have any guest for today. And at the short, I was just asking the way he said, that Krishna or the universe, whoever you believe, it's not about like, कि हाँ कोई power है जिसको मानते हो, fine. And I just asked, okay, because I too believe in Krishna, and I just, Thakurji, please show me somebody at the last moment what to do. And suddenly, just within few seconds, I got a call from one of my very favorite person, and he connected me to this Sagar, and he immediately said, okay, I love this thing, I would love to be there, and immediately everything happened. So this is the beauty of this thing, that when you really would like to do something, universe has your back, whether you believe in that or not. भगवान है, जो भी जिसको भी आप पावर मानते हो, और ये हम लाइव एग्जांपल सामने बैठे हैं आपके, एंड दिस ये कल का ही इंसिडेंट है. So we are here talking to you guys, and just keep on doing whatever you want to. So आपकी जो सागर एक चीज में शेयर करना जानना चाहूंगी कि what is your exactly success habit? ये सबसे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है आजकल के टाइम में. So if you like to share your success habits, couple of.
Yes, sure. So the most basic habit that I have for success is take action. If you've thought of something, if you want to do something, all you have to do is take action. Take that first step. Right होगा या wrong होगा, वो तो आपको step लेने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. So rather than being thinking or being a procrastinator कि करूँ या ना करूँ, तो पहला है कि कर लो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. That's one. Second thing is always have the right intention. Because if your intentions are right, even if you fail, you know that you have done it with a full intention, full heart. I'm not guaranteeing anyone that every time I pass. No, I have failed multiple times and I failed drastically. But my intentions were never wrong. So that's second, have right intentions. And the third is be grateful. If you pass, if you fail, if you succeed or if you don't succeed, just be grateful. And the fourth one is ask for help. दुनिया में कोई भी सीख के नहीं आया है. हम सब अपनी माँ के पेट से निकलते हैं बिना कुछ सीखे, and we learn by asking help. When we are kids, we ask help to our parents to, hold our hands. When we are elder, then why suddenly, after 18 or 21, we are afraid of asking help? Why? So ask help and you shall be rewarded with someone who is ready to do that. That's it. I mean, basic, simple things that I believe.
Yes. Guys, keep on writing these takeaways. You're going to have a great prize after that. He has given four takeaways right now. Beautiful. Okay, thank you so much for sharing your success habits with us. And okay, now I would like to ask one question about your LinkedIn thing. You are a brilliant LinkedIn expert and were having a LinkedIn commended profile 2019. This is truly something new for me. I actually never have heard about this commended profile, and I'm sure a lot of my viewers over here would also like to know. So could you please tell a little bit about that commended profile thing?
Okay. So, we are all on LinkedIn because we are all professionals and we want to connect, collaborate and grow. And LinkedIn is a platform to do that. It's a platform where you can, create your network, create your professional brand, create your personal brand, share your thought leadership and grow. Most of the people, they have their profile, they'll put their photographs and they will have everything. But what they will miss is the message. Now, they will have on their profile, they will have, they'll have global speaker, they'll have all their titles. What am I supposed to do with your titles? I am seeing that in your experience. What are you going to give me? Why should I connect with you? What is that message? So people don't do that. And so on and so forth, like recommendations hai ya sab kuch hai. So every year, there's a competition going out where they check what is your profile score, the SSI score, and they rank you based on that score. So out of 660 million profiles, there's a normal ranking of 100 commended profiles.
Wow.
So I was one of them.
Wow. Big round of applause for you. I didn't know that, but that's brilliant. A new information truly. And can you give a couple of tips to our viewers that who want to actually grow their LinkedIn network? It can actually help everyone over here.
All I can say is type Sagar Amlani, connect with me, and I'll give you as many tips as you want.
That's brilliant. This is a good salesman and also marketing person and knows how to actually grow the network. Connect to me, Sagar Amlani. Great. Okay, I've connected with you. Now I would like to know the tips. Done? Okay,
no, just jokes apart. So the tips are very simple, Raj. Have a good photograph. Have a photograph which connects with people. For example, you. I would love to give you a candid opinion if you don't feel offended. The
Sure.
photograph that you have is brilliant. It's very nice. But that photograph has got too many elements of the things that you've written on your photograph. I would say take a clean headshot with eyes facing the camera, smile in that, and that's it. You don't need too many things in the photograph. Like you've written too many things in the photograph in LinkedIn, and that photograph is along with those write-up. Why would I need to know the write-up that is available there in the LinkedIn profile? I need to know who you are, right?
Yeah.
So that's one tip. Second is the headline. That headline is basically your elevator pitch. Now, if you really want to connect with someone, what is that you would say in the 120 words that can ask that person to connect to you? Right now, you're doing so many things like growth mindset, breakup expert, happiness expert. I'm sure all that is wonderfully done by you. But what is that one thing that is your core? What is that one thing that is your niche? What is that one thing that connects me to you? That's exactly your message on LinkedIn. So these are two tips. Of course, at the end of the show, we will have a contest where I'll give a infographic which will help people to create their profile completely on LinkedIn, and that profile infographic is a contest available for free, but of course they will have to go through the contest that you will announce, and they will have that and all the tips to make their profile 5-star plus is available there.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you. So, yeah, I'm really, thankful to you for giving me that particular, personal trips, and I'm honored because मेरे को अलग से आपसे सीखने के लिए नहीं आना पड़ा. Anyways, thank you, jokes apart. So, you are a professional productivity explorer, right? So, I'm curious to know about it also because this is something, especially that explorer word. Productivity तो समझ में आता है. So, regarding your profession, if you can explain.
Sure. So one thing I do is I call myself as a productivity explorer, and what I do is I help people build a productivity mindset. Now there are millions of people who talked about productivity tools, to-do list, smart goals, so on and so forth, Pomodoro technique, and many things like Pareto analysis. What we all miss is we get lost in those tools. The tools are made to achieve our goals. We are not made for the tools. So basically, every one of us is productive in their own sweet areas. And I'm there to explore that productivity hidden within you, helping you to develop that productivity mindset. Now, what is the difference between being productive? We all are busy throughout the day on phone or on social media or doing some or the other thing. Our goal is X, but we are busy doing X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and so on and so forth. And then we complain we are not able to reach our goals, we are not able to fulfill our dreams, we are not able to complete our task. That's because you have missed the art of saying no to the things which are not relevant. And that's all about Productivity Explorer and building that productivity mindset. Have a focused approach. Use all the resources that are available to you to achieve your goal.
Awesome. So you just spoke about we keep on spending a lot of time on social media. And as we were talking about LinkedIn also. So could you please, according to you, how much hours are required on daily basis to maintain your LinkedIn profile? According to me, it's gonna consume a lot of time, but still, what you advise?
15 minutes a day.
What?
Yeah.
Let's know कौन इस चीज से एग्री है कि सिर्फ 15 मिनट में आप अपने प्रोफाइल पे रोज 15 मिनट में जाके भी आप बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क ग्रो कर सकते हो. ब्रिगेडियर सुशील इज हियर. Could you please let us know your view? 15 minutes.
I'll tell a breakup of that 15 minutes for you. Okay. What you should do is you have 7 days in a week, which means let's say you're making 7 posts in a week and 3 videos, for example. Every Sunday, spend 2-3 hours creating that content and video and keep it in a repository with you. And every day morning, you know that what video, what content you want to post, start doing it, which means you need only 30 seconds to 60 seconds to post that content. After that, you have 40 minutes, of which use 4 minutes to reply to the people who have commented on your post. Remaining is 10 minutes. Spend 5 minutes on engaging with other people's posts. And the last remaining 5 minutes, touch up your profile, update your profile, or go into other groups and engage with people. 15 minutes में इतना सारा काम हो सकता है.
And you missed that 3 or 4 hours of content जो आपने Sunday को बनाया है, उसको तो लिया ही नहीं आपने.
That is my leisure time, right? See, I'm spending 15 minutes on LinkedIn, but in my leisure time, and that is why I'll give one more tool. It's called as PDCA. Plan, Do, Check and Act. हमने लक्कड़हारे की कहानी सबने सुनी है that there was a woodcutter and they had the competition. Now it's your choice where you spend 75 minutes sharpening your blade and in that last 5 minutes you cut the tree and move out, or for 80 minutes you keep giving a blow, exhaust all your energy and still lose the bet. So the choice is yours that you give concentrated time and win the battle, or keep fighting it for your whole life and still don't achieve the goals.
Yes. But जो आप ये बता रहे हैं, I'm still like bit like आप. I mean, you guys are already LinkedIn masters. People like me who just recently started over there. Do you think like for us also 15 मिनट में सब हो जाएगा? It's sufficient?
I started using LinkedIn very actively in October 2018.
Okay.
2020, I had 15,000 followers in 2 years. 2021, around 17,000 followers. So the results are in front of you. I had 336 followers when I started in October 2018.
Okay. Off charts. अभी मैं उस zone में. Okay, I'll be there soon. Now I've connected to people like amazing, so I will be there soon. Okay, so I would like to know one more thing, like how do you actually keep yourself motivated and inspired all the time? Because you are looking like, very cool. People who are, though you didn't know about this, Instagram much, if anybody else would be there instead of you, and they would, oh my God, Russ, what to do, how to do, and they will be into that. So how do you actually, deal with your all those stress? Because everybody goes through stress at any phase. So Sushil ji is
It's a
writing
very
something.
simple thing. Yeah, Sushil is writing that I'm on LinkedIn for an hour in a day and I have to work harder to get into 15 minutes. Yeah. So, stress is a part of everybody's life, and even I'm stressed. Ask my wife and you will know the reality. I am stressed and I am hyper, but at the same time, there are two things which I do. If there are things in my control, I try to resolve it and move on. If they're not in my control, let it go. Simplest way of doing it. And how I keep myself motivated, anything, even a small win that I've done. Let's say if I'm on a client's place and I did something good and some product हो गया and some marketing हो गया या नया order आ गया. All you have to do is go out, celebrate it with the kids in the orphanage, go on the road and you have calf, dogs, anybody, give them, or go on the street and feed some beggar and have an enjoyment in them. And that happiness will keep you motivated for a long, long time. That's the simplest way to do it. Just go and give something to someone who is in need, and that's it. और उससे भी ज्यादा करना है तो gift yourself a chocolate and have it.
Yes, very true.
So,
लोग यही तो भूल जाते हैं. बस वही गड़बड़ होती है.
you don't need
So,
to
okay.
find too many things to have stress busters. Just go and, in Hyderabad, we have got 40 kids where we take care of as an orphanage, where, whenever we have some good thing, like if I get an increment or kahin se kuch ho gaya, one portion of that goes to the kids immediately.
Wow.
Without even a thought. Now what happens in that? That gives you an happiness for 1 month. और वही 1 month में वापस कुछ अच्छा हो गया? Okay, go to an old age home. और अच्छा हो गया? Go to something else. I mean, I did not celebrate my son's birthday for 5 years in a party or in a mall. We celebrated it with the kids in the orphanage. We prepared the food, we served it to them, and every year my son used to look up to his birthday because he used to get a celebration in a most different way where none of his friends would do that way. So it's about giving more and enjoying.
Yeah, it's like contributing in the word, and you will also get that happiness. That's beautiful.
Absolutely.
Yes. So the thing is, now let's get to the cookies, okay? We have, it's 7:40. You love reading books, right?
Yeah.
Because, I got to know that you are launching your book very soon. And definitely, I'm sure the people who are into speaking and coaching, and they really love to read books and have that positive mind when you are actually helping others to have that positive mindset. So at what age you actually fell in love with books?
Of course, not till college because I had to study and I hated that. But yeah, after my diploma, when I was in degree, someone gave me the first book of Sidney Sheldon.
Okay.
And that hooked me onto reading. And I used to read the book like in 72 hours, in 80 hours, and complete that book. And there was a competition between friends, who would read more stories. So yeah,
Okay.
degree was the time when I got hooked to the books.
And now you read what kind of? You still read novels and all that, or it's all about motivational things now?
I read anything that touches my heart. Like I have read motivational books also. I've read books on religious things also. I've read books on naturopathy also. Anything that connects me, anything that I get attracted to, I would love to read that.
So your
Like
all-time
Krishna
favorite book?
Avatar by, yeah, like Krishna Avatar by K.N. Munshi. Amazing set of books, the way he describes it. Like Osho, creativity, intelligence, the Krishna and his philosophy, The Secret, Atomic Habits. So, I mean, I've read variety of books. It's not one single genre that I would read. It's a mix of things. Of
So
course, Robin Sharma, Gaur Gopal Das,
your all-time favorite book, one book.
The Secret by Rhonda Byrne.
Okay. And which two books you advise everyone to read at least once in their life? Only two books.
Of course, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, and the second book is not yet in the market. It's coming out, At the Crossroads of Life by Sagar Amlani.
Yeah, we'll definitely read that. Definitely. I'm looking forward to it and we'll have a signed copy from you. Yes, thank you. Okay, your favorite place in the whole world?
My home.
Ah, beautiful. I already got this awareness when I was just thinking what I'm gonna ask him, and that time he gonna say my home. OMG. Okay, this is what energy transformation coach gets everything from the people. What's coming? Okay, explain yourself in just one line.
Happy-go-lucky, enjoying, and a giver.
Great. Your greatest strength?
Greatest?
Strength.
My mother. She's my powerhouse.
Wow, beautiful. I love that. Okay, and your secret of energy? Being so
My wife.
energetic all the time.
My wife, Mansi Amlani.
Really? Great.
See,
We
balancing
would
act
love.
होना चाहिए, right?
Great. That's truly. मैंने ऐसा आंसर तो पहली बार सुना है. Truly, वाइफ को wow, great. Okay, you
No,
are a global.
she's so understanding, Raj, that, I'm right now in Halol on a client's place. She wouldn't call me throughout the day or even 2, 3 days, except there's some emergency. And that's the energy that you need from a partner, the support, the understanding, right? And that's beyond words. So yeah, she's my source of energy.
That's beautiful. God bless you both. So you are a global speaker now, and
Yeah.
could you let us know about your dream event where you really would like to be invited as a speaker?
Uh, Global Speakers Federation Summit, speaking on that stage and sharing my story about the journey that I've gone through and how I became a productivity mindset and how people can build their own productivity mindset.
Wow. Wish you all the best and a lot of ease and magic so that your dream can actually fill so quickly, like with the speed of space. Okay. Think क्या कभी आपने सोचा था कि आप मेरे शो पे आएंगे इतने बड़े स्पीकर बनने के बाद? You will be invited over here.
No, I'm
A
still a
totally
normal
new
human.
platform.
Yeah. So Insta Live was definitely a surprise. I never thought about it. And I'm still not a very big speaker. I would still say that even whatever I become, I'm still available to people who need me, because if I say I'm a giver, I cannot be not available to people who need me. But yes, I will have times where I will not be able to approach people. But of course, आज नहीं तो कल, I'll reach out to them. I'll talk to them like you reached out to me. And I had a little buffer of 1 hour. I did not even think about yes or a no or what's going to happen. I did not even ask you the question about what you are doing. I just said yes, is because if somebody is doing a hustle like I did it in my past, people supported me. I cannot go and thank them. I can support others who are doing their hustle. So, yeah.
Yes. Thank you for your kindness. I'm grateful for that. And literally, your presence of mind and spontaneity is truly incredible. Good at that. Okay, now the last round. Okay, you just have to choose one word, and yeah, it's an easy one. डरो नहीं. Okay. Any one social media platform you prefer to grow your business? It's your viewpoint only. FB, Insta, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Which one you would prefer?
Hands down, LinkedIn.
I knew already. LinkedIn expert तो यही बोलेगा. Okay, if you have to choose between reading a book and traveling to your favorite destination, what would you choose?
Travel to my favorite destination while reading a book.
This is cheating. This is cheating. आपको फिर वो बुक रीड करना नहीं मिलेगा, अब ये सोच लो.
Best of both, right?
नहीं 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 नहीं, एक चीज. I said choose one.
No, then traveling is my first preference because adventure, exploring new things is always the first call.
Yes, now I got it. Okay, reading a hard book or reading a e-book or listening to audiobooks, because these are the availabilities. Hard
Hard
book.
book. I love having that feel in my hand of that paper, the smell, you feel connected to a book when you're actually turning the pages. Kindle, I've never read in my life till now, and I might not be attracted to reading it again.
I get it. People who have actually read those books, hard copies, they still love to read those things. Yeah.
Yeah.
But people who are on Kindle, they can't get to know like क्या feel होती है वो.
Exactly.
Okay, so you might be having lot of admirers because we can see that. So more of what exactly? Like more of female admirers or male admirers you have?
I would
Honestly,
choose to have female.
choose to have. But let us know. You really have more of female fan following or male fan following?
नहीं वो तो मुझे LinkedIn में जाके फॉलोअर्स गिनने पड़ेंगे बट आई नेवर डन दैट होमवर्क.
You really don't know that, huh?
No, I don't know that.
That's truly a surprise. Great. इतने followers
Yeah.
होके भी पता नहीं है कि females ज्यादा आ रही है या males आ रहे हैं. Uh-oh.
You can't keep a tab, right?
No, but still, you get to know, like, एक पता चलता है यार कहाँ पे ज्यादा popularity है.
No, I would not do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, what would you prefer? Yoga, meditation, or chanting?
I missed the first one. What
What
said?
would you prefer? Yoga, meditation, or chanting? Basically for your mind or peace or calmness, whatever. Like,
Nothing. I would prefer music.
wow. But अगर इन तीनों में करना पड़ता है तो किसको करोगे?
I can't sit for yoga, meditation, or chanting. The point is, I cannot sit at one place for more than few minutes. Like, even when I'm talking to you right now, yes, I'm engaged, but that's not my area. I mean, I am not that type of person. So, given a choice,
That's okay.
I would just do meditation and sleep because that's the easiest
Okay,
way I can
people
do
like
meditation.
me, they keep on doing chanting while walking. Fine. I do walk and keep on doing chanting also. So that's okay. Well, I'm amazed by your answers. You are truly like, समझ में आता है हाँ focused और clear हो कि क्या चाहिए. Because generally people get stuck in the cookies, right? कि यार एक
Okay.
option लेना है और ये क्या करना है. Okay, so now almost to the last question, that what 3 lifetime tips you would like to tell our viewers that you learn through whole of your journey and that can help them to fulfill their dreams? What 3 tips?
Okay. Keep dreaming. There is no harm in dreaming and it does not cost. That's my first tip. Second, take action towards achieving your dreams. Don't worry about the results. The action will always result into positivity if you are thinking it in the right direction. And third, always remember that the day you have achieved your dream or even one milestone of that big dream, give something back to the society, give something back to nature, give something back to someone who is in need of it, and you'll have happiness.
Yes, that's beautiful. Thank you for sharing that. That's truly beautiful. So guys, I'm sure that you have actually enjoyed this session and got a lot of things because every moment Sagar was telling you that I mean वो स्वीट चीजें होती है ना छोटी छोटी आ रही हैं लगातार आपके पास अब it's your choice that how much you will actually willing to follow them or we are here he is here he has given his time to actually let you know क्योंकि हमको लगता है कि जो दूसरा इंसान कर रहा है पता नहीं वो क्या अलग हटके कर रहे हैं वो वही चीजें कर रहे हैं छोटी छोटी जो हम भूल जाते हैं अपनी लाइफ में करना एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ रिमाइंडर तो जस्ट इफ यू कैन फॉलो दैट एंड यस वन एक्साइटिंग अनाउंसमेंट वैसे थोड़ा सा सागर पहले बोल चुके हैं बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू अनाउंस पहले ये बताओ कि आप लोगों में से कौन कौन है जो सच में हु लव्स एक्चुअली टू रिसीव गिफ्ट्स कितने लोग हैं जस्ट राइट मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि वी रियली लव टू हैव गिफ्ट्स सो अगर आप लिखेंगे तभी आपको गिफ्ट मिलेगा नहीं तो नहीं मिलेगा सो एनीवेज ओके जितने में आप लिख रहे हैं लेट मी अनाउंस that once this video will be posted on the IGTV, do write whatever you learn from this session, anything you learn from this session and tag any of your 3 friends to whom you would like to suggest to watch this episode once. क्योंकि नहीं पता कि जाने अनजाने में अपने फन में भी टैग किया हो, but it may change somebody's life. So just tag any of your 3 friends. ज्यादा नहीं बोल रहे हैं हम ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं सारे फ्रेंड्स को कर दो 3 को भी करोगे तो क्या पता सच में एक की लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूशन हो जाए तो just write anything and yes Sagar has already told you that yeah to encourage you guys he will be giving the gift to each one of the participant so guys don't miss this okay he will be giving you that free LinkedIn tips that is a blueprint right to every participant who will be actually writing just a single comment that what you learned from this session from Sagar and tag your 3 friends. And one special gift from Beyond Imagination Club also. Now it's your choice if you really love gifts. Just hurry up and once this video is posted, do write something over there and we would really love to have your feedback guys. And in case anything you want to add something Sagar, मेरे contest में कुछ आप बोलना चाहेंगे तो
No, all I would say is, kudos to you and your energy that you bring onto the session. And I'm really honored to, connected with you. Thank you, Sushil Bhasin, for connecting with me and, connecting me to Ras. So that's really amazing. Second thing, guys, Dare to Dream is just one thing which she's doing, but I'm sure she's been doing many other things. So one message is very clear. सपने देखने के पैसे नहीं लगते. Please देखो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
So beautiful. That's true. Sagar, एक चीज पूछना चाहूंगी before concluding this that if anyone would like to learn more from you, where can they reach you?
Very simple. www.sagaramlani.com. वो भी नहीं करना है और सिंपल है. Just go on Google and type Sagar space Amlani SAGAR space AMLANI. The first few pages are filled with my links. कोई भी link पे चले जाओ and connect with me and I'm always there.
So great, awesome. And thank you so much. So grateful to you for sharing your unique tips of this productivity, and those how to actually grow your LinkedIn profile. That's amazing. And I would say that your journey of transformation from a kid from the slums to a global speaker is truly admirable and you are a living example, you are a live example of few of those very unique people who dare to dream big and they are actually achieving it and brought their dreams into reality. And wo aapki jo book hai Crossroads, I will say in that terms, people who have actually brought their dreams into reality, crossing all the challenges, whatever came in their way. So thank you for believing in you and huge gratitude to you for your time, for your energy and all the contribution to this show. You are truly a gift to this world and wish you a lot of ease and magic. I can just do this only. Keep creating bigger in this world. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this series of Dare to Dream has helped you to achieve your dreams and touch the skies of success. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and as usual, I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, stay safe and have fun. Wish you a lot of ease and magic. Signing off, Raseshwari Hindustani, a walking, talking miracle of possibilities.